Hey there, fellow travelers. If you're using Expedia to plan your next adventure in 2025, you might need to share your itinerary with friends, family, or even your travel buddies. It's super easy and helps everyone stay on the same page. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to share your Expedia itinerary using the latest features. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Expedia account on the app or website. Expedia's 2025 update has made this process even smoother, with a more intuitive interface. Once you're in, head over to the Trips section. That's usually found on the main dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of your upcoming trips and itineraries. Next, select the specific itinerary you want to share. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a detailed view. Look for the Share button, which is prominently displayed, often as an icon with arrows or a paper plane. In the 2025 version, Expedia has added options for quick sharing via email, text, or even social media links. Now, when you click Share, a menu will pop up. Choose your preferred method. For example, if you want to email it, enter the recipient's email address. You can also generate a shareable link that expires after a set time for added security, which is a great new feature in 2025. Double-check the details to ensure you're sharing the right information, like flight times, hotel bookings, and any activities. Before you hit send, take a moment to customize your share. Expedia allows you to add a personal message or exclude sensitive details, like payment info, to keep things private. This is especially useful for group trips. Once you're done, confirm and share. You'll get a confirmation message, and your recipients will receive the itinerary instantly. Pro tip: if you run into any issues, make sure your app is updated to the latest 2025 version, as older ones might not have these features. And there you have it. You're all set to share your Expedia itinerary hassle-free. This not only keeps everyone informed but also makes trip planning a breeze. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel tips. Safe travels, and see you in the next one.